There. I pressed that record button. And that record button begins the channel. Welcome to STEM Mod. Here, I will take STEM and integrate it into videos that are fun to watch, but you wouldn't expect there to be STEM in it. I will also just be including just STEM by itself because it's awesome. I like to make stuff. I like to 3D print things. I'm getting into like electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, robots. Just keep that in mind. So, well, my first video. Hang in there. Okay. Today, I'm going to print a logo. It's my logo from a YouTube channel. I'm going to print it. I'm going to put it on my desk and it will supply inspiration for all my other videos. Yeah. So I designed it in Tinkercad because that was the easiest way to convert the logo picture to an SVG format. And then I plugged it into Creality Slicer and yeah, ready to print. Let's do this. All right. 59 degrees, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Please. Yes! If it's done, then why aren't you printing, boy? Come on! Yeah! 2 hours later, and SpongeBob voice everywhere. It makes things all more funny when you just throw in that SpongeBob reference. I don't watch SpongeBob, I'll probably just keep walking out the video next to it's Alright, we've started printing, people! Let's print! Bro. If you'll just ignore the mess and appreciate this right here. The one thing I love about robots, they can work in the dark. Oh yeah. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Anyway, smash that like and subscribe button, hit that notification button. Man, I always wanted to say that. Anyway, yeah, have a good one. Bye.